Hello everybody, this is Steve from Old Boy Moto.
Well, good day YouTubers. I just thought I'd do this video, just a very quick video, because lately I've seen a lot of videos related to an anchor trolley for kayaks. And a lot of the videos talk about not anchoring yourself from side points, and for the obvious reasons is because it can tip your boat over, obviously, you know, whatever's coming, whether it's current or bad weather or whatever it is. So the trolley system's, it's not that complicated, but what it does is it takes up a lot of room on your kayak, and you've got to fix pulleys and so forth to it. And it's a fair bit of work, and if you don't do it properly, you know, it's not real good. So what I've got, I'll show you what I've got. It's so simple and it does the job very well. So as you can see, I've got a tie-off point here. Now that's fixed very, very well onto the side of the kayak. And my anchor just runs straight up to the front into that hole where the handle is for the kayak. And that's where the anchor point pulls from. So it doesn't actually pull from where you tie it off. It pulls from the front. Okay, so that's the important part, that it pulls from the front. Now, to bring it in, all I do is pull it up. Just pull it up. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so it's not easy. And I just drop the rope into the bottom of the kayak. And as you'll see in a minute, my anchor will appear. So there it is. There's the chain to the anchor, and the anchor's just actually just sitting in there. It's got a bit of weed on it at the moment. And once it's up, I just tie it off there again and it's all done. So I can hear people saying we haven't got a hole in the front of the kayak or a handle that you can run your anchor through. Well, what you'll need to look for is something that will accommodate your anchor, probably a ring or something like that that you'll need to install right at the front of your kayak. And it's that simple. It's a lot easier than doing a pulley system. Look, I'm not knocking that, but it's a lot of work, and you know, you've got to get it right or otherwise. And the reason I didn't do it is because I didn't want the sides of my kayak drilled and compromised. You know, I just wanted a nice clean kayak, and I didn't want all that stuff hanging off it. Mine's got enough hanging off it at the moment. Anyway, I hope that suggestion's helped somebody. It's a very simple installation, only 2 points. Thanks for watching. God bless, and bye for now.